Become a chat operator for the UK market and work from anywhere. This is literally my title. Hey friend, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can earn some cash as a chat operator, as well as share my experiences with you in applying for this particular job. So if this is something you're interested in, stay with. I got this email 4 days ago from this company. Today's Monday. I'm filming this video Monday. So it says, "Hello Mfon Akpan, thank you for your application. We look forward to welcoming you as a new member of our team. We have received a lot of applications for the chat moderator position, and we are in the process of planning trainings for the new recruits we have chosen. We hope you are still interested in becoming one of our chat moderators. As a chat moderator, you carry out high-quality entertainment conversations with customers on our platform. All chat messages are paid per piece, and your weekly salary depends on the total amount of messages you write. Please read the FAQ document that we have attached to this email for further information. To prepare you for your new job, we will provide you with a thorough introductory training. This training, like all other internal communication in connection with your work, will take place over Skype text chat. You have the possibility to start working immediately after you complete your training. Please add the following coach to your Skype contacts. Give your name to the coach when you do, so we know it is you, and we will get you started and answer any questions you may have. Best regards, HR of Chat from home." Now, how did I get that email? Because if you're just watching this video to click apply now, you're not going to get any feedback. So before I tell you how I did it, let's just go through the website, shall we? Now, the application process takes just 3 simple steps. I have passed through the first and second step. The third step is where I am at right now because I am yet to respond to that email. So the first stage is just to fill the form with your first and last name, your email address, and you will get a confirmation email from them. I will tell you how you can do that. Don't click apply now without watching this video till the very end. The second stage is ID verification, just to confirm that you are 18 years of age. And the third step is the online training. So as a chat operator or chat agent, you will be 100% anonymous, text only, no video, no voice. Work independently and with full flexibility. You earn more depending on how often you work. Help those who need someone to talk to. Okay, so for your salary as a chat operator, you will work as an independent contractor and therefore have full freedom and flexibility to work as much or as little as you want. You can also work from anywhere you want as long as you have access to the internet and have a PC or laptop. The basic salary is calculated based on how many messages you reply to. As a chat operator, if you work 4 to 8 hours a day, 5 days a week, you can easily earn between £200 and £500 weekly. You can see that it's written here on the website. I am not making this up. Okay, so let's quickly go through the requirements. Master English in writing. Your written English should be impeccable, especially since you will only be working text-based. You have to be 18 years of age, privacy statements and our contract terms, responsibility for your equipment. Send a minimum number of messages per week to remain an active operator. Okay. We may out salaries on a weekly basis. The payment is in euro and runs through a reputable online payment provider. As an independent contractor, you are responsible for your own taxes, pension, and other legal considerations when receiving money. So according to their website, it will take you 4 weeks plus to actually become an experienced chat operator and be very effective. To summarize, you must master English in writing, you must have your own equipment, you will be trained by Chat from Home. You don't need any prior knowledge for this job. You have to be 18 years of age, internet access, you will work independently, and so on. and so forth. Before we proceed, I would like to mention that it's important that you have a Skype account. In order to go through with the introductory training, you will need a Skype account. This is not hard. Just go to Google, type Skype, sign up with Microsoft, and that's it. There's no FAQ on the website. I wanted to go through the FAQ with you because it's emphasized in the email that it's attached to the email they sent to me, but just noticed it's not there. So let's just move on. Now, friend, before you apply for this role, you need a VPN. This is what happened to me. After I discovered this website, I went ahead and applied with no VPN, and I did not get any feedback. You remember this feedback? I did not get this confirmation. It says here the first part of the application is only asking for your name and email. We will send you more info about the process once we have confirmed your email. That confirmation never came. So I now decided to apply with a VPN. I got the confirmation email, and that was it. This was the confirmation email I got. Hi, Mfon Akpan, you have completed your sign up. Attached, you can find a copy of our terms of service. After verification, we will contact you and schedule a meeting for a training section. We look forward to working with you. With kind regards, HR of Chats from Home. You know, I actually did not open this. Let me download it. So I just went through the terms and conditions. I thought I would find the FAQ there, but it's not there. So that's it, friend. How to become a chat operator for the UK market and work from anywhere. If you find value in this video, kindly give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and I hope you make the decision to subscribe to the channel if you're yet to do so. Thank you so much for your time.